Alright, y'all. Y'all hear that, Noah?
Yeah, it sound like rain.
Yeah, right in black soldier fly larvae.
Yeah.
Listen, y'all hear that? They dropping to the bottom. All we want is these little black balls right here, the compost. You see that? That's what we want.
There's something in there too.
It look like charcoal.
Oh, that's doing it.
Wow, you see? Don't move.
They're going in there quick.
They going in there fast by themselves, ain't it?
Yeah.
And what you could do is just leave it like this overnight. If we had so many, and then in the morning we can come, then all of them should be in the thing. Now, we're going to take these and we need to put them, these little bottles here. These little bottles. This is super fertilizer, y'all. This is about rich as you can. Yeah, yo, this is it.
Those little balls look like boo-boo.
Yeah, they do. And technically, that's what they is.
Stuck. That one's stuck, Daddy.
They ate that one. You see that? That one got 8. Well,
Ew.
that one right there got 8. Can y'all see that?
Why would they want to eat theirs?
When they run out of food. Come on, man. It might have died. Might have stopped moving. It's dinner. See how all of them went down to the bottom on their own?
Yeah.
Still something.
Some of them not moving. That mean they ready to
get eaten.
They're gonna turn into the black soldier flies soon.
That's what they do.
Yeah, they turn into the black soldier flies.
They
And the black soldier flies don't eat. They just drink water and breathe. But these right here, these things run through compost, and they not like regular housefly maggots. They ain't nowhere near that. You feel me? But you'll be amazed at how much these jokers can consume.
Those little balls.
And it look like all of that's still in there. All right, y'all. Shalom. Yeah.